My video just paused. So you just gotta press download if you want one. But if you have coins, just do it. But if you don't have coins, not my problem. That's just not my problem. Alright, let me stop. Man, get your little Man, get your little stupid big. Man, get your little stupid big head. Oh my God, look. Man, get your little goofy giggity. Oh, hold on. Hold on, what's this? Oh. Press download. Yep, I'm doing that. That's a loop. Kalani. I don't want to download that. Yeah, you better up. Get up. Alright, chill. What I do? What I do? Now let's start to that AR. Hellcat. SRT. Headshot. 223. Let me go to the back. You wanna look at me? Alright. AR. AR. 223. Alright, let me start. Headshot. 223. Victory. Get it. ARP. Bro. My goofy keyboard is not working. 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 Batty. Why am I in a cycle? Bro!
Hour.
Hey, y'all. So, bro, I gotta lose too, bro. I'm gonna be looking like a goddamn dummy, you bitch. If you want. Stop! You better stop! Then just search up AR on that. Then if you see this, just download it, get it. Alright, bro. So now we put up play the game. Nah, I'm not doing it. Oh yeah, oh yeah. No. See y'all here. I'm gonna actually. Don't see me, bro. See, but I'm gonna get some money. Yeah, let me turn this camera back on. I'm chopped. I'm actually chopped, bro. I'm chopped cheese. I'm actually chopped cheese. If you left, I'm gonna pull that Glock 19 out. Why cannot even do that.
Yeah, I'm here.
Wiggling Metro booming. Right now, we just wanna get your gangster. Why am I already laggy? Shorty a little baddie. Shorty a little baddie. She's loving my boo thing. Now I'm finna stab a quick. Oh snap! What just happened to him? That boy just snapped his body apart. Nobody else somewhere know that brother go. Nobody knows somewhere know that brother. Nobody knows somewhere know that brother go. Nobody knows oh, that brother gone home. Nobody knows somewhere. Nobody knows somewhere. Oh, that. Oh, my brother is gone home. Nobody knows somewhere. Oh, that brother gone home. Nobody knows somewhere.